New custom accounts lookup field. So here in the add custom field section, this comes in. Enhance your workflow efficiency with our recently integrated custom field, which has a design capability or designed specially for account searching. So for that purpose, yes. So here, we're all well aware about custom fields, right? We can directly go to our settings, and then here, if we go to our general preferences, we could see custom fields, and I can create a new custom field like default. I'm going to use a use case in which if a customer is going to make a payment, then that particular customer has to make a payment to a particular bank account. So if you keep it as default payment account, and I can keep the field type as lookup, then the lookup module will be the new thing that we have introduced, accounts. I can keep it in I will keep it in bill view also, and I'm not going to keep it mandatory. I can submit it. Let's take another use case, so we can create that field here itself. While invoicing, and if you're sharing the invoice to the customers, imagine, let's say, banking account. I'm going to keep it as the field name as banking account, and here I'm going to place it lookup with accounts. So in such a situation, I'm going to keep in client view. So we take a PDF, we have banking account there. We have already chosen the banking account while creating the invoice itself, and we are sharing it with the customer. So when the customer is taking a look into the invoice, if it's a hard copy or a soft copy, they could see that, okay, the banking account is HDFC or a Jain Bank or CSC Bank or anything like that. And you have to make the payment accordingly into this particular bank. So that information can be shared later into the customer also based on requirements. So such kind of detail can be bought in with such a lookup accounts field. So this is also a building block for us right now. We'll be implementing a lot of things. Now I'll just show you while creating a new customer. And none of these customers will be having those custom fields right now. So we'll just do one thing. We'll just create a new customer, and Ravindran. Let's keep him as a consumer, and you could see default payment account. It should be in HDFC Bank, and you can directly create what? You can directly create uh, a customer like this, and you can save them. So the custom field HDFC Bank, and while you're creating a new invoice also, this can be implemented for Ravindran. Yeah, banking account. And if I create a new invoice like this, okay, I think everything is done, and I save it, and I could see that the default payment account should be HDFC Bank and the banking account should be HDFC Bank itself. So that's a specialty when it comes to invoice, that the custom fields related to the customer will also be shown here. And if I look into the PDF view, I could see that, yes, the banking account should be HDFC Bank. So this information will be shared directly to the customer. And if you don't want this default payment account to be present there, we can go directly into the forms and you can hide it as well. So that's another possibility.